my friend decided it would be a good time to stop the video. So. Hi, little dude. So I got the unboxing part done. This is the snake that was in there. Dude, he is so cool. This is a Pueblan milk snake. This is the apricot phase. Now, he's pretty calm. He's just trying to get away from me. He looks very much like a coral snake, the highly venomous snake. This is not your normal. Normally, the colors on the Pueblan will be the yellow. The yellow that you see here is normally white, just like the Sonoran Sonoran coral snake, which is common throughout Mexico, and this is where this guy is from, which is Mexico, if I remember correctly. So normally he wouldn't look quite like this. Oh, he's a tiny little guy too, so we're gonna take this guy. Take this guy straight to his cage. Alright. Alright. Still recording, which is nice. So we're gonna. This is the cage that he's going in. So I'm gonna put you guys down for right now, so I can put this guy in here. Now he's probably gonna burrow himself straight away, knowing this species. So I'm gonna pick you guys up so we can watch him disappear. Straight in there. Popping out right over here. Just gotta make sure he doesn't decide to come up. Sorry guys, I'm just want to make sure that this guy doesn't pop and become a weasel. Pop goes the weasel and he comes out, and then I have a tiny little snake loose. So I'm gonna end the video here and put his lid back on. So goodbye. Hope you enjoyed these 2 videos.